Best Hatchbacks car for 2025 to 2024 Fiat 500e. The 2024 Fiat 500e has been crowned the best hatchback car for 2025, celebrated for its stylish design, compact size, and impressive electric performance. As an iconic name reimagined as a modern electric vehicle (EV), the 500e continues to attract attention with its blend of practicality and charm. Efficient electric performance. The 2024 Fiat 500e is powered by a 24 kWh lithium-ion battery that delivers a peppy 143 horsepower and 166 lb-ft of torque. This setup ensures a zippy driving experience, with the 500e reaching 60 miles per hour in just over 8 seconds. The 500e offers an estimated range of up to 180 miles per charge, making it well-suited for urban commuting and short to medium trips. Its fast charging capability allows for significant range recovery in about 30 minutes at a DC fast charger. Chic design and compact versatility. True to the Fiat 500's heritage, the 2024 500e boasts a distinctive design that combines retro charm with modern flair. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for navigating tight city streets and parking in crowded urban environments. Despite its small footprint, the 500e provides a comfortable interior with thoughtful details, including high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 500e features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. It also offers standard features such as a rear-view camera and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add additional safety technologies, including lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, enhancing both convenience and security. Eco-friendly and stylish. The 500es electric powertrain not only contributes to lower emissions but also offers a quiet and smooth driving experience. Its combination of efficiency, style, and urban practicality makes it an appealing choice for drivers seeking a compact EV that stands out in a crowded market. Conclusion. The 2024 Fiat 500e excels as the best hatchback car for 2025 with its efficient electric performance, iconic design, and advanced features. It remains a top choice for those seeking a stylish, eco-friendly vehicle that delivers both charm and practicality.